If only one side of your JBL headphones is working, there are a couple of quick things you can try to fix it. First, do a hard reset. Just hold down the power button for about a full minute. After that, press the power button 3 times quickly. Sometimes this helps reset the connection and brings both sides back to life. If that doesn't work, you can do a full factory reset. Turn your headphones on, then press and hold both the volume up, plus, and volume down, buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the lights on the headphones either stop blinking or turn off completely. That means the reset worked. Once you've done a reset, it's a good idea to go into your device's Bluetooth settings, forget the headphones, and then pair them again like new. Also, make sure your headphones are fully charged before testing them again, just to rule out any battery issues.